A supercar is nothing without a wicked exhaust note. That puts cars like the Tesla P85D in an awkward position. However, have no fear, the Mercedes SLS AMG has one of the best sounding V8s ever made. While you may not be pedal to the metal in your SLS all the time, you do have to turn the car on to drive it. And this car does feature one of the best startup noises in the business. Putting the car in manual mode is a must. That way you can unleash a series of furious and aggressive noises that sound similar to a grizzly bear fighting a hammerhead trapped inside a blender. I know this because I saw that happen actually once on the Animal Planet. When you click the left paddle, the SLS emits beautiful downshifts, and when you release the throttle after accelerating, it emits these awesome crackles just like the Jag F-Type. The problem with this car is the exhaust sounds so good that you're forced to drive like a total you-know-what. Random acceleration every damn day. And did my crackling fury interrupt your bingo game at the old folks' home? I'm sorry, the car made me do it. It just sounded too good. Enough of me. Let's hear this beast roar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse our channel and subscribe. If you have any cars you'd like to see us review or videos you'd like to see us make, please leave a comment below and we'll try to get on that. Please give us a like on Facebook.com/VehicleVirgins. Look forward to seeing you next time.